Welcome back to the channel, A Car Chaser. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cars to ever hit the roads, the legendary Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a fan of automotive history, or just someone who loves sleek, timeless designs, the 300 SL is a vehicle that stands out for a lot of reasons. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so special. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, introduced in the 1950s, is often referred to as the first true supercar. Known for its distinct, gullwing doors, which open upwards, the 300 SL quickly became a symbol of innovation, luxury, and performance. But it wasn't just the doors that made this car a head-turner. It was everything about it, from its sleek, aerodynamic design to its groundbreaking engineering. The 300 SL first made its debut as a race car in the 1952 Carrera Panamericana, one of the most grueling motorsport events at the time. And it didn't just show up, it dominated. After that, Mercedes realized the potential of bringing this high-performance car to the streets, and in 1954, the 300 SL Roadster was born. It's important to note that this wasn't just a rebranded race car. The 300 SL for the streets was a marvel in engineering and technology for its time. Under the hood, the 300 SL was powered by a 3.0-liter, inline-six engine that could produce about 215 horsepower, a number that was quite impressive for the 1950s. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 8 seconds, not bad for a car that was designed in an era when most vehicles didn't even have the luxury of disc brakes. And speaking of brakes, the 300 SL was one of the first production cars to feature them, which gave it a massive edge over competitors at the time. But what really made the 300 SL stand out was its innovative design. The space frame, which was constructed of lightweight, yet incredibly strong tubular steel, was ahead of its time. This design not only made the car incredibly stiff and stable but also lighter than many of its contemporaries. Combine that with the unique gullwing doors, and you have a car that wasn't just a performance machine, it was a work of art. Inside, the 300 SL was a luxury experience, complete with leather upholstery, wood trim, and chrome accents. It was clear that Mercedes-Benz wasn't just trying to make a fast car, they were trying to create an experience, an automotive statement that would last for generations. And that's exactly what they did. One of the most impressive aspects of the 300 SL is how it influenced the world of automotive design. It wasn't just a car that people admired in magazines or at car shows, it became the blueprint for future performance cars. From the 1950s all the way through today, you can see the influence of the 300 SL in almost every high-performance car, whether it's from Mercedes or other brands. Now, let's talk about the impact of the 300 SL on the market. At the time, the car was priced at $8,000, which was incredibly expensive for a production vehicle. This made the 300 SL a car for the elite, but that didn't stop it from becoming one of the most coveted cars of its era. It wasn't just a status symbol, it was a demonstration of what was possible in terms of performance, technology, and design. Even today, the 300 SL is a highly sought-after collector's item, with prices for well-maintained examples regularly fetching millions at auction. That's a testament to just how far ahead of its time this car really was. So, why does the 300 SL continue to captivate car lovers more than half a century after its production ended? It's because this car represents the perfect combination of engineering, design, and performance. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL isn't just a classic car, it's a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire and shape the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more content here at A Car Chaser. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite classic car, and do you think the 300 SL deserves its place in automotive legend? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep chasing those cars.